corners have to touch the concrete.
Both corners have to touch the pavement, and then go all the way back, crossing the sharp line.
Time out. Are we turning around and coming back, or are we walking backwards?
Back pedal. You gotta turn it around, right?
Yeah, turn around. Good.
The rules down. Are we ready? Yes. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Come on, Bridget! Come on, Tim, Allie!
Great!
They're the same height, so I don't know. Kevin is just really coordinated.
I can't.